So here, so we have another program, the same program in assembly programming. I will explain each and every instruction. So how say, so same algorithm. So initially we'll start the main function like origin 00h. So here I'm just taking a 38h, so which is a command. Okay, command for 5 into 7 selection of 5 into 7 matrix data. That is, each and every character will be in this form. So now I'm just putting to accumulator. In accumulator, I have 38h. Okay, a call command write. So command write is the label now. Okay, a call command write. So which is the subprogram. So why we are saying subprogram? We are using a call. Call is a instruction which is to call the subprogram command write. So now to the LCD, I'm going to write the command. So label starts here. What I'm doing, whatever the data in the accumulator, I'm putting to port 1 now. So now the command is ready in port 1. Okay. So the 3 pins, we should control this always. You know that. What is that? 3 pin. P2.0 for telling that we are sending a command. You have to set it 0. So that clear P2.0 and clear P2.1, which is to write. That is, we are going to write the data from controller to where? To the LCD. And the third one is we have to set it P2.2, which is the enable pin, right? P2.2, which is the enable pin. Once you enable, have a small delay, right? Have a small delay. Same thing we discussed in C program also. And after enabling, just clear it. Okay, same pin you have to clear. What is the pin? Enable pin. Okay. So whatever we have done in the C programming, within the subprogram you could have seen, right? The same operation we are doing here. Same operation we are doing here. Or go back to the C program also. We will check out what we have done. See, we are putting the data in port 1. We are making the particular pin P2.0 to 0, P2.1 to 0, P2.2 to 1. Once you enable this, have a small delay, clear that. This is the algorithm condition. Okay, same thing we are doing in the assembly program also. Okay, same thing. Return. Always subprogram should have return function. So once it is written, the control will move to where? It will move to here. We went in this portion. Once you return from the subprogram, it will come back to the next instruction of the main program. Now delay. So delay is a simple another label which is having a set of instruction for obtaining a small delay. Okay, this is a simple delay. Okay, written from the delay so that you can send it the another command. So same way we are putting the data here in the accumulator, whatever the command, calling a command write subprogram. So similar way, whatever the you want a command, you just send it to the LCD. Okay, we have discussed 0E, 01, 06 command, everything. So here we are mentioning 84. 84 is to, if you have a display, so you want to leave these 3 space and my data to be placed in the position 4th position. What my first character should be placed N, for example. First character should be placed in the 4th position. line number 1, then you have to use it 84. Okay, because starting position is 80H location, 80, 81, 82, 83 like that. So 84 will be like corresponding position 4th or 5th. You can check out once you write the program. So this is all command. Once you send the command, now I'm going to send the data. Okay. So for data write, so I have a subprogram data write. So I put a character into accumulator, I send it. Now in the accumulator, I have taken my data. In the accumulator is there. Okay. So I call data write. So go to data write label, whatever the data in the accumulator that I'm just putting to port 1. In port 1, we have to send it as a data. So in order to program it as data send, make this particular pin as set, so that RS will be register selector will be 1 for data transfer from 8051 to LCD. So then clear read write, so that we are writing a data to the LCD. Set it this particular, enable the pin so that data will be written. Okay. Same operation, nothing difference. Okay. So once you send N, have a call delay for sending a data, have a simple delay. Then you send O, similar way, subprogram. SJump to again to complete. So what is the character we are sending here? No. So no is a character which will be displayed in the LCD. In the first row, the position number 4. Okay. I may ask you to write, display my character, your first name in the LCD first row, second column, in the position 4, then accordingly you should program. Okay, fine. So any doubt you can ask, it's not difficult, just once you practice, it is easy only. Okay. I will take the attendance and we can wind up. Okay. So 18W014, A section or B section? B section.
B section, sir.
B section.
19W068, 69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir.
71,
Yes, sir.
22,
Present, sir.